Hey guys, I'm just bringing you a quick and cute gift idea in time for Christmas, but also it could be any time of year. If you know me, I love ornaments, and I'm heading to New Orleans with Patience, Elizabeth, Cindy this weekend for our first live Stampin' Up! Event in 3 years. So I purchased this ornament for them. I always like to spoil my leaders. Patience, Elizabeth, and Cindy are Silver Elite, and they work really hard for that. So we get to go together to an event called Backstage, and we give each other gifts. So I wanted a cute way to give them this ornament, which is cute in and of itself, but we never would stop there. So I looked for a cute treat packaging situation that I could find in our catalog, and in the annual catalog are Peekaboo treat bags. So they are $159.252. They're 10 bags for $6. You can see them right here. They come in craft and white. I've made 3 that are craft. I'm going to try one that's white and see what it looks like. They're just the right size for this ornament. I was super pleased that you could put a small amount of candy in here and it would pack a huge punch. Now, it's food safe, and it's actually, you can stamp right on it. So I'm using the Amazing Phrasing stamp set, and it is a celebration set that is free with a $100 purchase. So I love it. It's really like 2 stamp sets in one because it has so many cool, sayings. So we are going to, let's just do what I did. Okay, keep it simple. So you're going to want to definitely put a Stampin' Pierce mat under your stamping surface. I use black. I wanted to keep it simple. Didn't want to detract from our pretty ornament there. Get it nice and inky, and you are just going to hold your breath and stamp right on this bag. I've got black ink on my fingers. So there you go. Woohoo! We're ready. We are going to slip our ornament. So this is a Ziploc bag. Super easy to open and close. You can slip your little ornament in there. This could be candy. This could be any kind of gift that you want to kind of show off and see through. I'm going to tie some of this fresh Freesia ribbon around the top, and that will cover up my ink stain. Goodness gracious. Right there. Voila. Well, let's try again. I wish I could be live with you guys tomorrow, but I am going to be out of town, so I'll be posting this video after the fact. Okay, I can see it's a good idea to let this ink dry because it's a little smudgy. So give it a sec to dry. It didn't smudge at all on this bag, so just make sure and let it dry there on the white bag. And then we're going to finish it off with some cute bling. I think on this white, I'm going to go with purples and pinks. I'm just trying to draw out the purple and pink colors that we see here on this cute ornament. And that is literally all you have to do to really take your gift up a notch. So grab lots of Peekaboo treat bags for the holidays. Amazing Phrasing is a great stamp set to decorate with. And then pick your favorite color ribbon. I chose Fresh Freesia because it really popped on these ornaments. But that is that. So make sure and get your $100 order in so that you can get the Amazing Phrasing stamp set for free. All right, thanks for watching, friends. I will see you next week.